Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox application on your mobile phone. So just a moment. And right here on the lower right side you will see three dots. So just click this one and it will be routed you to a screen to settings. Just scroll down. From right here just scroll down to see settings and click settings. And first you need to go to account info, and under on account info you need to click this one, verify my age, before you can turn on the voice chat. So just click verify my age. So before this one you'll be routed to a page that's to enter your email address. So I already entered my email address, that's why I already directly routed to this page to send or prepare a valid ID to start the session. Once you already have a valid ID, just start the session. All right. Then once your age already verified, just go back to the settings and then click privacy. And under this privacy, this one, just enable this one or swipe it to the right to for you to turn on the voice chat like this one. So right now I was not able to turn on right here on my account since my age was not verified yet. So that's it. That's how you get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. Thank you for watching and like and subscribe for more videos and updates.